Hello and welcome. My name is Matthew and I live in southwestern Virginia. I'm a Salesforce administrator by day and I chose to develop a Chrome extension so that I can streamline a couple of my common formatting tasks. Moving over to the actual extensions interface, we can see a nice custom logo and everything is formatted with Bootstrap and some additional CSS. We have input and output text areas and a few buttons that will react to user input and only perform an action when needed, meaning if you click format with nothing entered as input, then nothing will happen. Same goes for copy and clear. So let's move over to our JSON example. So I'll actually pull some JSON from the manifest itself for this project and go back to the extension and I'll paste the value here and click format. You can see that the text for the format button changes and we now have formatted JSON, so we can copy that. And again, that gives feedback. So we'll bring it here to VS Code and take a look at the output so we can see nicely formatted JSON. So that's the first function of this. If you have invalid JSON, then you will get an error message giving you an idea of what went wrong here. So we'll go ahead and clear that and we'll move on to the in formatting here. So occasionally I have to work with data from Salesforce. So I'll have an export. I'll take information into Google spreadsheet and work with some data. It just happens to be that these particular records are the ones that I need to go do another query on. So I'll take all of these IDs and I need them formatted for a in clause. So what I'll do is I'll take all of these values, each ID or each component that's going to be included in the in clause will be on separate lines. So I'll hit format and we'll now see a very nicely formatted in clause. So I'll take this out where ID in and just paste the output. And we can see we still have the same records that are returned. I hope you find this extension as useful as I do. Thanks for watching. This was CS50.